Hello everyone, welcome to CR Maths class. See the question number 55. The set of values of x for which step x square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0, where step denote the greatest integral function, hold good is. Here we need to find set of values of x. First see the equation, step x related given. So let step x is equal to t. Substitute here t square minus 5t plus 6 less than or equal to 0. Split into factors, minus 3t minus 2t plus 6. Now t common, t minus 3 minus 2 common, t minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Overall this is t minus 2, t minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Then what is t value, students? T belongs to closed interval 2 comma 3. Okay, now we need step x value. Step x value. If t value exactly 2 or 2.1 or 2.9 or t is equal to 3, then what about step x? Tell me. Step x is equal to 2 to 3, no? Okay. So this is no need. Here step x is equal to t and step x is belongs to closed 2 comma 3. By observing the options, so which option is possible? I think second option is possible. If x is equal to 2, step x value 2. If x is equal to 3, step x value 3. If x is equal to 3.99, then what is step x value? 3 only. Step x value 2 to 3. Then what about x value? 2 to 3.99. Therefore, x value lies between 2 to 4 open bracket less than 4. So that meaning is 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. This is the answer. So which option correct, students? Second option. 56th question. The number of quadratic equations which are unchanged by squaring their roots. Alpha, beta are roots and alpha square, beta square. Both having same roots means we get same quadratic equation also. Yes or no? Alpha, beta roots, alpha square, beta square. Both same values means we get same quadratic equation. Or suppose first quadratic equation, 0, 1. If do the square, 0 square, 1 square. 1, 1. If do the square, you'll get 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. Both are same only. We get same quadratic equation. Yes or no? If you are taken 0, 0, the square is also 0, 0. But 0 you are taken means you can't get quadratic equation. That's why don't take. In case you are taken minus 1, minus 1. If you are done square, you will get 1, 1. Here roots are different, here roots are different. Then automatically the quadratic equations also is going to different. Yes or no? Next, any chances are there? Any chances are there? Omega, omega square. Do the square. What will come here? This is omega square. This is omega power 4. Omega square means omega square only. Omega power 4 value, omega. Again here also, the roots are omega square, omega only. We get same quadratic equation or not? Next, we can take 0 also. Then we get second quadratic equation roots also 0, 0. Okay. If you are taken roots 0, 0, then what is the quadratic equation, students? What is the formula first of all? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now substitute here roots, we get this is quadratic equation. X square minus x is equal to 0. If roots are squared, then what we get quadratic equation? Same. This is one chance. Next, x square minus 2x plus x is equal to 0. By using this 0, 1, 1, 1 root, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you are taken omega, omega square, omega plus omega square value is how much? Minus 1. You will get minus x. Product of the roots, omega into omega square, that is omega cube, that value should be 1. Here also you will get same quadratic equation. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you take 0, 0, substitute in that formula, you will get x square is equal to 0. Here also x square is equal to 0. How many possible? 1, 2, 3, 4. So second option is correct. Once read the question, the number of quadratic equations which are unchanged by squaring their roots. See, quadratic equation does not change if the roots are square. Understood, students? Such type of how many quadratic equations possible means only 4. Second option correct. Alpha is a root of the equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the other root is given by alpha is the root. First see the quadratic equation. Any factors are possible. 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here there is no factors. Go for formula method. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now minus 2 plus or minus inside the root, total value is 20. So that is, we can write 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 4. 2 take common numerator and denominator also 2 is there, it's going to cancel. Now minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. So one of the root is alpha, that is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Another root is beta, minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. But the second root, in terms of alpha, we want to show that. Okay. So minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 means, what is the value? This is right in particular order. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. That means this is sine 18 degrees. Sine 18 degrees value, root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now take the beta. Beta is equal to, and take minus common. You will get like this, root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Root 5 plus 1 means, that is sine 54 degrees. That is equal to minus sine 54. I am writing 3 into 18 degrees. 3 into 18 degrees. This is in the form of sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta, right? Minus sine 3 theta formula. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Yes or no? 3 sine theta, sine 3 theta formula, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Already we know that sine 18 degrees value is alpha, minus 3 into alpha minus 4 alpha cube. Now this is 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. So another root in terms of alpha we got. See the options. Which option correct? Third option. Please remember sine 18 degrees value and sine 54 degrees value. Then you will get answer easily. Okay. The least value of expression. Least value of expression. What they given here? X square plus 4y square. That is, I am writing 2y whole square plus 3z whole square minus 2x, 2 into x into 1 plus 8y. 8y I am writing 2 into 2y into 4. So I am going to make a perfect squares. That's why I am writing like this. Next, 27z. We can write 2 into 3z, 3z. Next, 9 by 2. Understood? 27z I am written like this, 2ab plus 15 is there. 15. So 15 out of 15, 1, 4, 9 by 2. This is so we can write those terms in the form of like this. Added 1 square, added 4 square, and added 9 by 2 whole square. Same like that, subtract. minus 1 whole square minus 4 whole square minus 9 by 2 whole square. At the last term, what is there? 15. Okay. Now, see that x square minus 2x into 1 plus 1 square. That is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square or not. That is, we can write x minus 1 whole square. Understood? Next, go to the second one. 2y square, 2 into 2y into 4 and 4 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is, we can write 2y minus 4 whole square. Similarly, tell me third one, 3z square, 2 3z into 9 by 2, 9 by 2 whole square. A square, here second one, here is a plus, because here plus 2ab now, here also plus. So that is, we can write 3z plus 9 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now these terms we need to calculate. First I am writing positive terms. Minus 1 minus 16 minus 81 by 4. These terms should be same. Here take the LCM. 4 is the LCM. 15 4s are 60 minus 1 minus 64 minus 81. See here, these terms are same. 60 minus 64 minus 4. Here we are getting overall minus 86 by 4. Okay. So final step I am writing. These are same terms. Minus 86 by 4 means how much? 43 by 2. What happened, students? Students, see that here only 8y is there, but 2 into 2 into y we are written. This is 16y. So no. So we need to change here. Instead of 4, we can write only 2. Now it is correct. Here 2 square, here 2 square. So 2y plus 2 whole square. Now see the calculation. This is 4. 4 4s are 16, not 64. Okay. Now calculate this. Numerator part 60 minus 1 minus 16 minus 81. Numerator will come minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Now overall say this. These particular part, 3 terms having the squares and minus 43 by 2. So we can say that finally it is greater than or equal to minus 43 by not to 4, sorry. 41 or 43? 41, sorry. 41 by 4. This is the answer. Because first 3 terms are perfect squares. It is always greater than or equal to 0. See here, I will explain one example. X square is always greater than or equal to 0. X square minus 41 by 4 is greater than or equal to minus 41 by 4. What I did here? Adding on both sides minus 41 by 4. Okay. Then what is the least value? Least value of the expression minus 41 by 4. So, which option correct? Fourth option correct. See the next question. Let f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c if f of minus 1 less than 1, f of 1 greater than minus 1, f of 3 less than minus 4. Then what is the range of a? Okay. Now see here, first what they given, f of x function given. Note down that f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And here given condition f of minus 1 less than 1, f of 1 greater than minus 1, f of 3 less than minus 4. Okay. What is f of minus 1? Substitute in place of x minus 1. We get a minus b plus c. It is less than 1. And go to second condition. F of 1 greater than minus 1. Substitute 1. A plus b plus c greater than minus 1. And go to third condition. Substitute 3. 3 square 9. 9a plus 3b plus c less than minus 4. Here observe that this is equation 1. This is 2. This is 3. See that first equation, third equation having less than symbol. Second equation is greater than symbol. That's why add 1 and 3. Whatever is that same symbol, those equations I am taking. Add 1 and 3. A plus 9a, 10a. Minus b plus 3b, 2b. C plus c, 2c. Less than 1 minus 4, minus 3. This is equation number 4. Equation number 2. So we need to change. What they're given, equation 2, a plus b plus c greater than minus. Apply minus on both sides. Minus a, minus b, minus c. Symbol is going to change less than. Minus of minus, 1. This is take equation 2. Now, 2 and 4 observe that. Minus a, minus b, minus c less than 1. We need a value. So, what we can do? Multiply with 2, then add. These two cancel. These two also cancel. 2 into minus a, minus 2a. 10 minus 2a, 8a less than. Minus 3 less than 2. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. These terms are cancelled, 0. Once again, students, this is a 8a, sorry, not 18, 8a. 8a is less than minus 1. Then what is a? A is less than minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. Which option correct? Third option.